Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about a Google Play gift certificate, and more specifically I'm going to show you how to add it and redeem it into your Google Play account. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Google Play, basically what it is, it's Google's version of the App Store. So this is pre-installed on your Android devices. I actually work with an Apple phone, but you can still redeem and use your Google Play gift card, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off, why would you want a Google Play gift card or gift certificate? Well, you can use it to buy pretty much anything that Google sells on the Google Play Store. So apps, games, music, movies, books, other things. I actually only use Google Play to pay for my cloud storage, and also I order movies on Google Play through YouTube. For me, it just ends up playing better, so that's why I have this. But how do you redeem and use your Google Play gift card? That's what we're going to go into. So first off, what you want to do is go to this website right here on your browser. You can go into the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. I do not, so I usually just go to this website right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to that website there. Once you're here on this screen, what you want to do is click on these three little lines right here on the top left. Once you click there, another drop-down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, this drop-down menu happens, and as you can see, you can go ahead and make purchases with your Google Play here. But what you want to do is scroll down until you get to this section right here called Redeem. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then this pop-up happens, and you'll want to enter the gift card or promo code that you have. So on this card right here, I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. Okay, so here is my Google Play gift card. You just flip it over to the back, and then it has this little foil stamping right here. Be sure not to share that code with anyone else, and also check to make sure it's not scratched off when you buy this card at a local retailer. I bought this one at, I believe, Walmart. No, I bought this one at Target, so you can pick them up at most retailers. So I'm gonna go ahead and scratch this off right now. Okay, so I went ahead and scratched it off, and then as you see, it has 4 digits, then 4 digits, then 4 digits, and it has 2 more right behind my thumb. I'm blocking it for obvious reasons. I don't want you guys stealing my Google Play gift card. So there's actually going to be 20 digits alphanumeric, and that's what you're going to put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all 20 digits to my Google Play gift card right here, as you can see. Next, you want to click the redeem button. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up, so it confirms that I'm going to add $10 because this is a $10 Google Play gift card. And then also it shows my account, which is my email, my Gmail account. So make sure that email is the correct account that you want to add your Google Play gift card to, because if not, it's going to go to the wrong account. If it all looks good, go ahead and click this gray confirm button. I'm going to click there now. All right, next I get this confirmation screen saying score $10 added to my account. And kind of interesting, they said on this time that I added my Google Play gift card that there's some sort of reward for buying a gift card. I'm not sure exactly what that is. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. But that is how you can add your Google Play gift card into your Google Play account and use it. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.